Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share my recent haul from the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. I wanted to go ahead and get a fair chunk of this purchase before things sold out. I think there's still a few things that haven't been released yet, but this is what I've gotten so far. And if you saw my last haul video, it included a couple exclusive scrapbook.com extras that go with this collection. So if you'd like to see those things, I'll link that video down below. So let's go ahead and start with the paper. I got the 12 by 12 paper pad. I was considering getting a smaller one, but the 6 by 8 was sold out, and so I decided that I could probably make some traveler's notebook inserts with this, and it would be really pretty, so I'm excited to use this. So there's a nice cut apart. It's always hard to kind of like situate this on the screen. There's a nice cut apart page here. Bottom one says, remember this. It's kind of cut off. This one's sort of like a fake gold leaf over text, which is really pretty. There's sort of a vintage floral, bugs and butterflies, black and white floral, or like kind of a fern leaf pattern. Sort of a nice vintage pattern here. The lemons, which I love. A dark floral, really fun. The peacocks, which are one of my favorites. I just think that they're so cute and unusual looking. This blue floral is another one of my favorites, just a really nice color. This has all kinds of different tickets on it, which would be really fun to cut out or use as a paper. Little quail, which are really cute. Another vintage floral. Another vintage sort of, I don't know, almost wallpaper pattern. It's cute. Some different flowers and plants. I don't really know what this one's supposed to look like, but it's really pretty. Just really unusual, so I really like that. And then some flowers kind of taped down to the background. Hello, Duchess. Oh, Dutcher. Another vintage floral. Different sort of vintage cameras on black and white. A full 12 by 12 peacock paint by number, which is really beautiful. Kind of a deco pattern. And then sort of some, I don't know, almost European inspired row houses or something like that. Another kind of deco pattern. Another dark floral. There are just so many nice ones here. And then back to the start. So I'm really excited to use these. They're really beautiful, really fun, just like sort of the perfect mix of vintage and girly things. I don't know, it's just gorgeous. I'm so excited to use it. The next things that I got are some of the specialty papers. This is an acetate with sort of some encyclopedia pages or, you know, sort of like floral diagrams. And I accidentally bought two. So it's probably not worth returning at just like a couple of dollars. So I'll probably find ways to use these. I always like that they add sort of a different texture to projects that I'm working on. And then I got this really beautiful rose gold vellum floral sheet, which is really, really, really pretty. I'm very excited to use that. I also got the 12 by 12 chipboard stickers. I really like using these in my other projects, but I've kind of started feeling like they're just so thick that they really bulk up anything. And in my small albums, it's kind of tough, but I do feel like they've made it a little bit thinner than they used to be. So I'm kind of excited about that. But you've just got a lot of nice florals, butterflies, birds, houses, tickets, pretty typical sort of Maggie Holmes things. I just love this flower truck at the bottom. And I love all of the paint by number things that she's included in this collection. Just really fun. So I'm super excited about these. I think they're really cute. And most of them are small enough to use in smaller size documenting like I do. So I'm excited that I'm not contending with as many giant pieces for this. I also ordered the floral, or I guess leaf sort of trim. I think it's really pretty. I ended up accidentally ordering 2 of these as well. I guess I just didn't check my cart before I paid, but again, only a few dollars, so not a huge deal, but I'm excited to use it. It's just really pretty and delicate. I think it'll add some nice detail to different projects. I also got these stickers here. I don't know that they don't name them very different things from one another, but it just has 4 different sheets, mostly word and phrase and label style stickers with some nice foil. On the back, there are white ones with more of a copper or rose gold foil, which is also beautiful. And then some gold rectangular alphabet with some really cute hearts as well. And I love this abbreviated number sticker as well. It's really cute. And then also some sort of ornate alpha, which are really cool, in black, and then again in the rose gold. So those will be fun to use. I also got the standouts, or the 3-dimensional embellishments. I like these little butterflies and the rosettes and more paint by number swans. They're just kind of fun to add some texture to projects. I got, let's see, I already showed that one. I'm really excited about the thickers because they have this really cute floral pattern on them. And there are also some little embellishment pieces too, which is nice. The ampersands are really beautiful, so I'm really excited about these. They're very cute. Very, very cute. One of my very favorite things is this bird patch, and I have no idea what I will use it on, but it is just really cute. I love embroidered patches. I love birds, so I've just been, I don't know, I just knew I had to get it. I'm sure I will find something to put it on eventually, but it's so cute. I'm really excited about that. I also got another sort of ephemera pack. I already took a few pieces out of here, but I don't know exactly what it was called, but it comes with a lot of floral elements. So you kind of have like a teal, pink. This one has some foil on it. So just a bunch of different floral, and they're all pretty big, but they're really pretty, so I think they'll be nice to stick here and there in different projects. This one's nice vellum. Yeah, more vellum pieces, more foil. Yeah, like I said, I took a few out. I think they were foil as well. I'm not gonna track those down right now, but maybe you'll see them later. In the smaller package, there's a butterfly, sort of small flower, leaves. Most all of these are definitely falling in the floral category, but I feel like sometimes once you start using floral elements, they go away really quickly, and then you wish, at least I wish I had more. So this is going to be great for me. So yeah, if you're thinking about this ephemera package, I definitely recommend that you want it knowing that there's floral and pretty much only floral in it. The other one that I showed in my last video has a lot more variety as to what's included. And then this one are some little fabric gold leaves, which are really cute. So I'm excited to use those too. Then I got the normal sticker sheet, which some of the items seem very similar to the scrapbook.com exclusives. Like I think the ephemera package looked basically the same, except for the exclusive one had glitter on it. But actually these stickers are quite different from one another. So if you were wondering, they are different. But this one just has, again, a peacock, which is so cute, a really chubby little squirrel, which I love. Some nice banner things with some foil as well. Some cute stamps. I always love anything with a stamp on it. This bike is really cute too. And a lot of like tea tins, those kinds of things, more little houses. So a nice variety on here, and more that are fairly small. They'll be pretty easy to use, so that will be really fun. And then I believe the last thing that I got is the washi set. I think that this is really cute, and I've already used one of them. There's a large green floral, which is pretty. Another rose gold foil, which matches the vellum sheet really well. Sort of a skinny wood grain. It's kind of subtle, which is fun. This one's really fun. It has different phrases on it, so you could cut them apart and use them in your documenting. For this, I don't know why it's not focusing on this. It's forever is made of moments like this. You are loved. Grow your own joy. So you have 3 different phrases on there, which is really fun. And it's pretty thin, so you could cut it and use it sort of as titling, which would be cool. I love this blue again. I'm really happy that that was a washi tape. I also love this black and white leaf print. The lemon is my favorite, and I've actually used it already, which is pretty fun. There's little flowers as well, which is cute. And then kind of a nice pink polka dot, which is also pretty skinny, which is really fun. So yes, those are the things that I purchased from the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. Like I said, I got the exclusive, so I'll link that video down below if you want to kind of check out those individual items. But overall, I think this is a really beautiful collection, especially if you love florals and kind of those trademark Maggie Holmes things, florals and butterflies and birds, and just really pretty delicate details with a bit of a vintage touch. You'll definitely love this collection. So I've linked everything below. Let me know if you guys bought anything from this collection, and what you're going to use the items for if you do. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.